Hi, hello there's rather to all of you. I think hope you doing well. Let's start today's sessions. I have this sessions have a new technique way to discuss about the difference between key difference TDS and TCS with the old and new. Okay, basically the TDS TCS sections code masters the financial years 26-27, the past April 2026 onwards. You know about the applicable new income tax act 2025. I discuss here the old and new key difference of TDS provisions applicable. I have the collected of the nine aspect. First aspect, section structures. Old System Income Tax Act 1961, the multiple sections of the TDS like 192 to 196D and TCS 206C, the different sections for the each type of payment. In case of New System Income Tax Act 2025, the consolidated sections TDS sections 392 to 393 sections cover and TCS section 394. Overall, the provision is Chapter XVII-BB chapter covers. This is the first aspect. Second aspect, the core systems. There are old system of income tax act, no uniform payment code system. Reporting the was section based reporting, but in case of the new system of income tax act, the uniform payment code also means systematic 1001 to 1092 for all the TDS TCS this code applicable. Very important. Then third aspect, number of code not applicable in case of old system income tax act number code, and number code applicable income the new income tax act जोड़ी की total 91 codes and TDS 66 codes like 1001 to 1067 and TCS 25 codes total and 10682 to 1092 code applicable. Then fourth aspect, return forms. Which forms are applicable filing the returns? Old cases TDS 24Q forms salary portions, 26Q other than salary portions, 27Q in case non-resident, and 27EQ in the tax collector sources applicable. In case of the new system income tax TDS forms 138, this is the salary persons. 140 in case of other than salary person. Forms 144 in case of non-resident, and TCS forms 143. This is all overall of four aspect. And fifth aspect, channel payment. In case of old system of income tax act, the channel ITNS 281s used for the both TDS and TCS, and new income tax act, the new channel structures TDS 281 TDS and TCS 282 TCS. This is overall. And sixth aspect, rate prescriptions. What are the rate prescriptions in case of old system income tax? The rate prescribed sections wise in the different provisions, section 192 to 196D in case of TDS, in case of TCS 206C. But new system income tax act, the rate prescribed under sections 392 to 394 with the reference to the payment code based. Okay, and aspect 7, threshold limit. The in case of old system income tax act, various section wise different threshold for the different sections, but in the new income tax system, in case of threshold notified against for the each payment better informity. Okay, then 8 aspect, the statement of reporting. The AIS or TIS based on the section wise reporting, old tax and a new system of tax in case of AIS, TIS based on payment code wise reporting. The 9 aspect, I think last aspect, the effective applicable effective forms. It is applicable to till 31st March 2026 Old System Act 1961 and New Income Tax Act system is applicable 2025. It is a 1st April 2026 financial year 26-27. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye and Radhe Radhe.